Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a website on Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one, it's easy to sign up. Once logged in, look for the website option on your dashboard. This is your starting point for building a new online presence. You can choose to begin with a blank canvas or select from many pre-designed templates to kickstart your project quickly and efficiently. Now, let's dive into design. Mailchimp offers a variety of themes to match your brand's aesthetic. You can easily customize colors, fonts, and layouts to make it uniquely yours. The intuitive drag-and-drop editor allows you to add and arrange content blocks effortlessly. Whether it's text, images, or videos, you have full control over your site's appearance, ensuring it looks exactly how you envision it. Next, it's time to populate your site with engaging content. You can create multiple pages for different purposes, such as an About Us page or a contact page. Add compelling text, upload high-quality images, and even embed forms to capture visitor information. Remember to optimize your content with relevant keywords to help search engines find your site, increasing its reach to potential customers. Finally, the exciting moment of publishing your website. Before going live, take a moment to review all your pages and content. Check for any typos or missing information. You can connect your own custom domain name or use a free Mailchimp subdomain. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button, and your new website will be live and ready for the world to see in just a few clicks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.